In this video, I will be showing you how to check the source limits for different plans within NotebookLM. Let's get started. I'm beginning here on the main dashboard where I can see several featured notebooks. You'll notice that these examples already display their source counts, such as 38 or 17 sources, right on the covers. To find the specific limits for each account type, I'll move my cursor to the top navigation bar and click on Plans. This takes me to a comprehensive breakdown of the available tiers. I'll scroll down to the very bottom of this table to find the section labeled Sources. First, I'll look at the standard NotebookLM designed for personal projects. By highlighting this area, I can see that the free version supports up to 50 sources per notebook. If I need a bit more capacity for deeper research, I can move over to NotebookLM in Plus. Here, the limit doubles, allowing for up to 100 sources per notebook. For those managing professional research and more intense workflows, I'll check out the Pro plan. As I select this option, you can see the limit increases significantly to 300 sources per notebook. Finally, for the most complex projects and power users, I'll look at NotebookLM in Ultra. This tier offers the highest capacity, allowing me to upload up to 600 sources in a single notebook. Understanding these limits helps me decide which plan is best for the amount of data and documentation I need to organize. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.